know. Hey guys. It's doing focus. Hey guys, it's Mackenzie, and today I'm gonna be doing a how I clean my room and like hacks and stuff like that. Also I'm gonna be like cleaning, so it's kind of like a cleaning my room with me like hack thing. Some things that I need to say before we get started are, first of all, I'm wearing a sweater and like shorts, like just normal shorts, because I wore this sweater to church this morning and I haven't changed out of the sweater. The second thing, I think it's been like 3 weeks since I have posted a video, and I was doing so good and I'm really mad that I didn't post all that time, but I didn't post for so long because we have been crazy busy. I haven't posted in a long time and I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna start getting better. My room is a mess. It's a crazy mess. Like it shouldn't have gotten like this. Sorry, Mom. But it's pretty bad. Also, I do share a room with my sister, so if you see some like baby dolls or something, it's most likely not mine. Also, my hair is crazy because I had it in like these 2 braids, and so just this part of it is wavy, and so like the rest of it, it's crazy, but it's fine. I'm just cleaning my room. Sorry for the longer intro than I normally do, so let's just go. So when you first walk into my room, it's like there's a mess right here, and there's like a table with my sister's stuff on it, and there's my closet, and there's a record player table and a mirror and the tripod. My desk, my bed that's not made, and my sister's little stuffed animals down there, and just junk. There's everywhere. It's crazy. Like there's stuff everywhere. So tip number 1 is to play some funky jams to get you in the groove and just ready to rumble, you know? So your girl's gonna play some old soul up in this joint. The second tip I have is to clean your room in sections. So as you just saw, I cleaned this section. So now I'm going to move on to like this corner of my room, and then maybe that corner, and then like my bed. And that just makes it seem to go a lot faster, so. Another tip I have is to make piles of things that need to go in different places. So like if I have a pile of things that need to go downstairs or to my sister's room or anything like that, I'll just make different piles so that I'm not running around and then getting distracted. The next tip that I have is really simple. I'm pretty sure you probably could have just figured this out by yourself, but making your bed is so easy, and it just, like, you could make your bed by itself and your room would like look cleaner. Make your bed, kids. Next tip I have is for folding shirts, and I do this with all of my shirts because it saves a lot of space and it just kind of looks neater and it's more practical, I feel like, than the average way to fold shirts. So first what you're going to do is lay the shirt down where the back is facing up, and then you take the bottom of the shirt and fold it up to make like a little cup at the bottom. And then you're going to fold the shirt to make one little line of a shirt. And then you roll it up from the top to the bottom. And then you grab the little flap that you see from folding it over and you bring it over the little roll. And it makes this perfect roll that won't come apart because like you've got the little flap thing, and it works really good. I'm really bad at explaining, but it probably will be easier whenever you try it yourself. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope these tips were helpful for you guys. And once again, I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in a long time, but I'm gonna start getting back in the groove so I can be funky again or whatever. Oh my gosh. Also, let me take my bun down because anyway, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid, hopefully next week, because I'll be trying to post every week. Country boy, I love you.